In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert code from Python to JavaScript. By the end, you'll know how to use Perplexity to translate your Python logic into clean working JavaScript while keeping your project's needs front and center. First, log into Perplexity. Use your regular account and make sure you have a reliable internet connection. Once you're in, you'll be working directly in the main interface, so there's nothing extra to install or configure at this stage. Next, click on the search or input box and switch to a coding-focused mode designed for programming help. This mode prioritizes technical understanding, code formatting, and explanations, which makes it easier to get accurate, ready-to-run results. If there are options for code assistance or developer mode, choose that. The goal is to give Perplexity the clearest context for code translation. Now paste your Python code into the input box and add a clear, direct prompt. Ask for an equivalent JavaScript version and request comments that explain the logic. Be specific about where the JavaScript will run, such as in the browser or in Node.js, because environment differences affect modules, I/O, and available APIs. If your Python uses third-party libraries, point them out and ask for comparable JavaScript libraries or built-ins. Clarify any inputs, expected outputs, and edge cases so the conversion matches your intent. When Perplexity produces the converted code, review it carefully. Read the comments, check that function names and data structures make sense, and verify that any Python-specific concepts like list comprehensions, generators, or datetime handling were mapped correctly. Ask follow-up prompts to fix errors, improve performance, or adapt it to your exact use case. For example, you can request a more memory-efficient approach, a promise-based or async await version, or stricter type handling. If something looks ambiguous, ask for a brief explanation of the chosen approach and alternatives. Finally, copy the JavaScript code into your editor and test it to make sure it works as expected. If it's meant for the browser, run it in a simple HTML page and check the console. If it's for Node.js, run it from the terminal and verify inputs and outputs. Create a couple of quick tests that cover normal inputs and edge cases. Watch for common translation pitfalls like integer division differences, truthiness rules, or asynchronous behavior. If an error pops up, paste the error message back into Perplexity with the relevant code snippet and request a targeted fix or a refactor. That's it. With these steps, you can reliably convert Python to JavaScript, refine the output, and get working code faster.